just got this. QR code on the back. Gives you a tutorial and some other things, questions. But anyway, this is a pet behavior corrector. You get this inside of it. This thing here. And this, I do believe, is it right here. That's it. That's all there is. I think it's like sound. So check it out. It looks pretty cool. USB-C to charge. Let's put a USB-C in there. See what happens. Okay, so it's telling you right here how much of a charge is on it. And it's got a little bit of a charge. It's got 3 bars out of 5. Or no, out of 5 or 4. And so anyway, I think there's a flashlight on it. Oh, you got to turn it on first. On the side, there's a button. So that turns it on, right? I think I might have to hold it. Yeah, there it comes on. Now we can do the flashlight. So you got a little flashlight, right? Now it's got these sound waves. See that? So now you can do different intensities, right? If I want to go higher, and lower. So that's how that works. And then we just hit that to stop it. And then this, I don't know what this is, we'll find out. Oh. And then you can make it go higher. Let's see what it is. So apparently this is, the dogs don't like this or the cats don't like it. So I'll turn it off. So that's how that works. And then you can lock it here, right? And you can get this on Amazon. If you want to download the app, you can get that. There is the company name right there. Paw Behavior. Paw Behavior. That's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. We'll go ahead and plug it back in and let it charge all the way up. All right, peace out.